Ow.
Do it. What? Don't do it.
But yeah, it really worked. But when I got off it, I just got to
Say it.
get around. You know, I can kind of recognize,
Yeah.
Wait. You're falling. Wait. Okay.
So,
do it.
yeah, basically it worked now. I mean, it gave you...
I think he's done.
He's done.
Obviously,
All right.
you're obviously aware of what's happening with the drug. So you're able to change that behavior.
It's okay. We can stand up. That's Bilbo. Can you say Bilbo?
There you go. Pretty awesome. Can you give high fives yet? High
Can
five.
you give Chris a high five?
Oh, dude, for real?
Hey, Eric. Eric. Can you give Daddy a high five?
Probably not.
Oh,
Yay!
high five. Yes!
Yay!
So it was like, I'll give you a high five.
No.
Go. Sit. Go. Sit.
Can you give Jim a high five?
Eric.
Yeah, it's a doggy.
Doggy.
Why is he covering his ears?
Can you give Jim a high five?
High five. Eric. High five.
Why are you so weird?